Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Please ensure that you're competent to carry out electrical work and qualified to do so. Okay, on this panel, I'm just going to show you that. So you have the incoming supply here and the isolator. And if I wanted to check my phases on here, I've got my 3 different phases. Yep. So it's 2 ways that I know of checking these. So I can check from phase to phase. So that is the yellow to the blue. Okay, that's the incoming, and then the supply, should I say, and then this is the load. So then I would check up here as well, and I should get about 400 volts. And then I could also check here, and then also you can connect onto one of the phases and find your neutral point, and then you can do the same, and then the same again from one of your phases to your neutral point. A way of checking your contactors: you've got your supply coming in from above, and then you can check. They got live 1, live 2, live 3 here. So that's live 1, live 2, and live 3. I can check phase to phase, so from live 1 to live 2 together, and from live 2 to live 3, and see if I'm getting approximately 400 volts. And then when it's energized, I can also check below on the load side underneath here. I don't know if you can see, I've got my 3 phases underneath where my power is coming through to see if the power is going to my appliance required. It's your overload setting here, yeah, your reset, so we can check that way. And also you have your auxiliary coil here. Okay, thank you for joining me. Bye.